It got quiet in the room. What's everybody doing? Just watching? Falling asleep? Sleep can help, yes. That is very true. Because I'm probably going to call it a night pretty soon myself. Run! I drowned. Let me through, let me through! Run, run, run! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Get up, get up! Oh, I'm screwed. I am so screwed. It's a lot harder than I expected. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, the water was right there. I missed it just by that much. I got this. Move, 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 move. Whew. Does it make me a bad person if I enjoy this?
Hey, press conference is over. Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it.
But, sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in. You snap a picture of the captain in his underpants. Then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million votes.
You've got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 votes an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance.
What kind of kickback we looking for here? Okay.
You see how it works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Captain Quark.
What's that? It's Ratchet Clank, Captain. You know, from the home.
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet, he knows.
Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really? You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this. What makes one man toil and suffer while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question. But Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates.
Hey, Lucky Joker 2, welcome to the stream. Feel free to give a follow if you so choose, and of course just enjoy.
Can you quickly quit? Oh, just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary. Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet, what do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
Let's go back to our ship, shall we? Taxi. Stop taxi. There we go. Wait, where does this one go? Go out by Raceway Plaza. Do I not know yet?
Hi there,
I
Fuzzball.
don't own the Mind Glove yet. Might as well.
Hi there, Fuzzball. That's a real beauty.
Let's see, let's go deliver that trophy. Bring prize to agent. Blast off. Yeah, Crows think I'm probably gonna call it night soon too. And so you don't have to stick around with me as well. I don't know exactly when if I will play tomorrow. Because I'm going to be pretty busy tomorrow. But, who knows? Let's see, where is that suction thing? There you are. Oh, it just sits there. Let's talk to the agent.
Fantastic! You got it! Great work, kid.
So, are you gonna represent me?
You bet, kid. And as a signing bonus, I've got this.
Cool helmet.
That is a sonic summoner. It is used to attract sand mice.
Right, and it's all yours. Well, I'm off to finalize the paperwork. I'll have my people call your people.
Do you have people?
The sonic summoner allows you to interact with the mysterious and intelligent sand mice species. Despite their innocent appearance, sand mice